Number 7, you are going to give in the vertex of the pre-image. The triangle DEF are those points. What are the coordinates of the points after undergoing that following transformation? We'll start by writing down the original points first here. We see that point D is 2, 5. Point E, it is 6, 3. And point F, it is 0.4, 0. These are the points that we're going to use because they're going to undergo a translation based on that rule. Okay, so these are the new points here, right? The prime points. D prime is nothing happens to that y. It's everything's happening to that x. So we have a 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 becomes 0, so it's 0, 5. Then E prime, that's going to be 6 minus 2. Nothing happens to that 3. 6 minus 2 becomes 4. Nothing happens to that 3. F prime, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 just comes 2. And nothing happens to that y of 0. Okay, so those are your new points. All right, B, same thing, but this is x comma y plus 5. So we add 5 to the y. D prime is going to be 2, 5 plus 5, but we know what 5 plus 5 is, which is 10. E prime is going to be 6, 3 plus 5. We know what 3 plus 5 is, that is 8. F prime, it is 4, 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is just 5, so that is F prime. Here are the 3 original points. It's going to go under this translation, x plus 2 and y plus 2. So the point D prime, 2 plus 2, we know that as 4. 5 plus 2, we know that as 7. So that's what D prime is. E prime, it is 6 plus 2. We know 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2, which is 5. F prime, which is 4 plus 2, we know that as 6. And 0 plus 2, we know that as 2. D, here are original points. It's going to go undergo that translation, x minus 6 and y plus 4. So we have the point D prime is going to be 2 minus 6. We know that as negative 4. 5 plus 4, which is 9. E prime, we have 6 minus 6. We know that as 0. 3 plus 4, which is going to be 7. F prime, 4 minus 6, which is going to be negative 2. And 0 plus 4, that is just going to be 4. Those are your new points. So these are the new points once you apply the translation rule to all the given points.